Ja, Globation a interculturally presenta Rivera León y Ramiro. Todos. Globation connecti the world through conformity and communi intercultural porosity responsing and collaboration and more different cultural. Introduction. Globation and intercultural are essential elements the professional social work in electrical engineering. They include TY involution are designate technologies are shared and explored from different currents, collaborate and achieve objectives. What is globation? Globation refers to the globation taken by both national progression team al technical, communicative and cultural exchange in the there are it enables professional and companies to work, log and share economic globation cell. Types innovation. Social globation involves interconnection and shared cultural values based and social practices on communication items and because with energy big note. Political globation representative collaboration and globation through energy interconnection state and involucran policy in country evolution to sustainable electrical systems. Ans of globation in electrical engineer Yaucamus advanced digital and simulation diesel power factory or two immersive professional ser interconnected energy professional because it team devolution and core energy profession because as to protection day and to connectivity professional can what teaches down like design globation in electric example one dependency on person company to cause protection develop wind tree are location in of fortune in collection rates. Example 2 interconnected competition for local competition to reduce and watch summiting of the wing of tension star or link on material house. What is interculturally? In the with energy intercultural professional to collaboration efficient in time my from friends because fostering responsibility cultural question and bounds.